If you have 2 pennies and your friend has none, you have more sense than them. Alright, we're out here on this bluebird sky day. Here I am walking on over to this pallet of Centipede sod. The myth out there is, you can't lay sod in the middle of December. Well, I'm here to tell you, you're fine. You can lay that sod smack dab in the middle of December. If you hang in there till the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you the best tip to encourage these roots to get deep into that soil. Now, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. South Wind Outdoors.
All right, we're out here. The boss has me working. You got anything to say about last night? Were you able to sleep knowing that you're going to lay this sod today?
Couldn't wait. I was so excited. It's my favorite thing.
Favorite thing to do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I actually really do like it because I don't know, the difference afterwards is amazing.
It's a good look.
We laid all that by you and me.
Yep.
So this tool I'm using, this is the tip of the day. This is called a come along. We use this when we pour concrete, but it's great for getting your grade right before you lay your grass. Go up to Lowe's or an Ace Hardware, sometimes I may have one, but it's a great tool to really get your grade where you want it, nice and smooth like a putting green. Just put it in the hole, baby.